my god. Oh my gosh, you guys, my reversing skills today are no bueno. Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Sorry that I'm not looking at you, but I am driving. It is Weekly Liv number 13, week 13 of this year. No, it's not, it's week 12. I lied. So the reason why I'm starting with a car vlog, and here comes the blindness. So the reason why I didn't start this, another little blast, I didn't start this vlog in the house is because Hazel, my flatmate, and Koopu are doing stock take at work, so they don't start until later in the afternoon, so they get to have a sleep in, because obviously they work later. So I didn't want to make any noise whatsoever, because I know if I was them that would really annoy me, so I didn't want to talk at all. But then of course when I went to go and get my cardigan, I bumped into our fan and woke Koopu up anyway, which was just delightful. So this week the only real exciting thing that's happening is that it's Koopu's birthday on Thursday, which is super duper exciting. I can't wait to show you guys the gifts because I'll be able to show you them, because this vlog won't go up till Sunday, so I can finally show you what I bought him. Obviously in the last vlog when I went to the mall, I mainly went to buy him some presents. I obviously couldn't say that in the vlog because if he watched it, it would spoil the surprise. Not that it's a surprise, because obviously I was buying him presents. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what I got him. What's up guys, I just finished at the gym this afternoon. I didn't do the most amazing workout, like it was okay, I guess. I didn't finish the whole thing, but this time I actually, can you believe this? I went out of my way to ask for help and I got ignored by the staff. I don't think it was their fault, I think I was busy. But I did try to ask them how to use the leg curl machine at my gym. I can't figure it out. If any of you guys know how to work it, does it always feel awkward when you use that machine? Because whenever I try to use it, which has been like 2 times because I've just given up now, it just feels really awkward. I don't know if I need to adjust it or if I just need to get used to how awkward it feels, but it doesn't like sit on the right part of my leg. Anyway, it was a decent workout. I feel okay. It was like only 30 minutes of weights, which, you know, it's not terrible, but it's not great. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna have a snack, and then I'm gonna write some reports because we've got reports to write. Then I'm gonna go home to my mum's for dinner because Koopu and Hazel aren't home till like really late tonight, like past 10 o'clock, like super late. I just got back from my mum's. I can't remember when I last vlogged. I'm like all over the place this afternoon, but I'm now just sitting down to finish off writing my reports, and I've got YouTube on the TV, kettle on so I can have a cup of peppermint tea. I'm gonna take it pretty easy. I don't really want to do too much this evening. I am excited though because tomorrow, sorry, I had this little piece of hair out because it looked kind of cute. Tomorrow I'm definitely going to go to the gym in the morning, because when I get home I want to do like quite a lot of stuff like before they get home again tomorrow night, because the first night of stock take always takes the longest, so they're going to be home really late tonight. So I'm going to try and make the most of my time by myself by doing my report. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and it's actually Tuesday afternoon. I chose to not vlog this morning because, like I said the other day, Koopu and Hazel got up early for whatever. What I was meant to say was Koopu and Hazel have stock take, so they don't have to start work till late. So I was just talking for like 5 minutes, not realizing that you can see my mail on the fridge in the background, so I have to refilm this whole clip. But I'm about to go to the gym. I'm really excited because Koopu's present just arrived at my parents' house. I have to go pick the shoes up, and I'll leave them linked off down below. And then I'm also going to show you guys everything that I give him. I'm going to show you it when I wrap it, because I'm guessing he won't want to open it on camera. But yeah, I'm about to go to the gym like I said, so I'm going to take some creatine just in some cold water. I'm going to take some BCAAs to sip on while I'm at the gym. And then I'm also going to try out the pre-workout today. I'm really excited. This is the Tropical Punch one, so we'll try that out live on camera as well. So I've mixed up the pre-workout. Please excuse my rude mug. Kind of smells like Raro, so let's give it a try. That's very sweet. I went down the wrong way. We don't know what Raro is. Raro is basically kind of like Kool-Aid. So think like a sugary Kool-Aid kind of thing. Like an orange juicy kind of cordial. You guys, I'm so annoyed. I can't think of the word that you use when you say something is like a swear word. Like, it starts with a P, I'm pretty sure. I'm so good with like words and vocabulary, which is like tooting my own horn, but I can't think of it right now. By the way, I guess I'll show you guys. This is my outfit. The top is from Kmart. Goes down a little bit at the back and it makes my butt look really flat, whereas my butt is actually not that flat. Quite a decent butt actually. And I've got my click leggings. I've had so much to eat today, so my tummy is like really bloated. And then I've got like a little sports bra from Everlast on as well. Excuse the rolls, but you know, this is me. I kind of don't care anymore. Anyway, and then I've got my Nike, whatever, Roshis that you're actually not supposed to wear to the gym, but I find them really good. Oh my god, my hamstrings are so sore from yesterday's workout. I've just been like doing this all day. So I'm back from the gym, I've showered, and my washing machine just stopped. But the reason why I came on here was to give you guys a little bit of a review on that pre-workout. I've obviously only tried it once, but I want to give you my first impressions after using it one time. So I do want to preface this by saying I had a slight headache all day today, and it got worse after I had the pre-workout. Now I don't think it's to do with the pre-workout, but I will update you guys tomorrow when I take it in the morning. My headache's gone now though, which is kind of curious. So I don't know, well actually it's still slightly there, but I don't know what it is, because it could be from today because it was really hot and stuff, so I'm not too sure. But anyway, by the way, I've still got eye makeup on and my eyebrows are still set because I'm going to stream a little bit later. I just like washed the rest of my face with water, just in case you're wondering. I'm just going to be streaming, so I don't want to look like utter bum, so I left that on. I don't know if it was coincidental, but I had like the best workout. Like my muscles are also sore. I don't know if I had like more energy and was therefore like stronger, or if it was something else. Like I'm not 100% sure like what I can account to the pre-workout, but like I pushed myself quite a lot, and normally if I had a headache I wouldn't be doing as good at the gym. Like I would have just given up, but I did pretty much everything that I have the materials for in the Body by MG, if that makes sense, because you also need to do like glute kickbacks, and I don't have ankle straps yet. Mine are still coming in from AliExpress. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed with that pre-workout. To sum it up in one sentence, I feel like it gave me a good burst of energy, but it wasn't too intense. Pretty excited. This is my first time getting Uber Eats in Auckland. We just haven't gotten around to doing it because we like to cook, but today I'm feeling lazy as. Of course we got Nando's because why wouldn't you? Yes. Oh, that just doesn't look too exciting. There's a burger in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So Hannah just went home. She was only over for a little bit, but I've just started wrapping Koopu's presents because I'm going to go live in about half an hour. So I just wanted to really quickly show you guys everything that I got him. The one thing that I don't have to show you is his shoes because I left them in their original packaging. I'll put them up over here though. They are called Allbirds, and they're the black on black wool runners, I think they're called. And he's a size 12 in case you were curious. This baby here is actually the devil. Anyway, let me show you the other stuff that I got him because like I said, I know he won't want to be on camera when he's opening it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys anyway, because I always love seeing what people get their friends and significant others. By the way, this is balancing on a drawer right now, so if it falls, please excuse that. So I went to Typo, and all I got from there for him was just a card, and it just says happy birthday Stinkface. Then I went to Mecca Maxima on Saturday along with everywhere else, and I got one thing for me and one thing for him. So I'm gonna try and unwrap this carefully so that I can rewrap his and up in it. For him, I repurchased the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the aloe and cucumber and green tea one. He loves this. It was only $10. I couldn't believe it, so I just bought it for him so he has a backup so he can just go ham with it. I like this too, but it's like perfect for his skin. Like this is all that he uses on his skin other than like a cleanser, so pick that up. And then for myself, I picked up the Soap and Glory hand food. If this wants to focus, cover my face. And this is the Sugar Crush one, which is the scent that smells like margaritas, and I'm so excited about this, so I'm probably going to keep this at my desk. And then from Kmart I got him underwear and socks. So I got him some banana socks because if you guys didn't know, which I don't think you guys would know, I have a real like obsession with food socks. So I bought him 3 pairs of food socks, got him pineapples and cherries. So yeah, just 3 basic pairs of socks. Who knows if they're comfortable. He already has like a million pairs, but he wanted more, so I got him those. And I also saw these boxes. They had like none in a medium. This was the only design that they had, and I'm so glad that I got him a medium now, actually, because I was going to get him a large just so that they were spacious, but they would have like fallen off of him. But these were $6 and they're just like ice cream. You guys, that stream was so much fun. I actually, oh my god, it was so much fun. I had one of my friends that I met at Armageddon last year, Sav. I'll leave her Twitch, wow, see you later me. I'll leave her Twitch linked off down below, but she hosted my stream, which means that like she's not streaming, so she posts, like my stream plays through her channel, so I got quite a few people watching through that, which was really, really nice. And yeah, it was such a good time and lots of people, good vibes. It was awesome. It was honestly so cool. So yeah, I'm feeling very, very like warm and full and happy and stuff like that right now. But I'm gonna get bundled up and enjoy the rest of my night. I might chuck a few clips in from the stream here so that you guys can see what sort of stuff we get up to. You might want to check it out. Aesthetic today. Strawberries. All right, opinions, guys. Do it. FML. That poor little strawberry. The little plant is just dead. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday and I'm in a great mood today. I woke up this morning and I didn't want to go to the gym, but I couldn't tell if it's because I was tired, if I was being lazy, but I think I was just tired. So I'm going to try and go this afternoon, and if not, I'll go tomorrow morning, or maybe I'll go tonight with Hazel. Maybe I'll see if she wants to go tonight, because that would be really good. But I got up early today, had my shower last night, and I got up early. I didn't have an extra sleep in, which was good. I think I'm finally getting back into my rhythm, because last week I was super bad at getting up on time, so I'm kind of, you know, back in the swing this week. By the way, this cup is from Typo. I got it from a parent last year. This is my first ever mug I've got as a teacher. Can you guys believe it? It's like my favorite thing that I've ever received as a teacher. I love mugs, and I don't actually have that many mugs in this house. They're all my flatmates. Guys, I had so much time this morning. I was running early, not just on time, pardon me, but early. And look at me now. I'm nearly running late again. I'm just having a crap week. I always say this in my vlogs, and I'm like, man, I'm running late for work. It's like I'm never actually late for work. I'm just not at work at the time that I want to be, if that makes sense. So don't worry, guys, I'm not rocking up to work like hours late when there's like kids there or anything. So it's evening now, as I'm sure you can tell by the light being on, but Hazel and I went to the gym. We did arms, chest and back or something like that. Now we're having curry. I know, so healthy. I can't get it in the frame. There we go. Just a homemade Thai curry with lots of chicken for the protein. Don't know what I'm doing with my face. Anyway, gonna watch some YouTube now. Sorry I haven't been vlogging much today, but what can I say? I'm busy. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. Today's Koopu's birthday. There is so much noise in here because I put the dishwasher on. Sorry guys, that was too loud. I'm going to come into our bedroom. I was just saying that it's Koopu's birthday, which is very exciting. I feel like, whoa, hello sunshine. You're either a birthday person or you're not. You know, there's no like in between. At least in my opinion, the people that I know, you're either like super into celebrating it, or you're like super not, if that makes sense. But I'm sure you guys can tell from how much I've been going on about his birthday in this video that I am definitely a birthday person. So I gave him his presents last night. You guys saw everything apart from the shoes, which I might vlog today. I mean, you guys would have seen them. I would have put them over in an overlay, but yeah, I'm pretty damn excited to be going out for dinner tonight. We're going to Spicy House. So I went and picked up Koopu's cake or pie. I'll show you guys when we eat it. I don't want to open the box up. I don't want to jinx it and drop it, so I'm just going to leave it. I'm super excited. I know he's going to be really happy to get that and eat it. So got that in the fridge. I was just hanging out with my friend Janae from work. So Janae, if you're watching, hey. Yeah, we were just watching YouTube. We had some Subway for lunch, or a late lunch, as it was after school time, so it was a late lunch. I'm pretty much just watching YouTube and blobbing. I was going to stream, well, I think I'm going to stream on, excuse me, Tuesdays and Thursdays. But this Thursday and next Tuesday I'm busy, so I don't know how that's going to look. Koopu's birthday treat of choice is pizza. I'd put you in the frame. Happy birthday.
That's fun.
Ignore the Netflix, but this is the banoffee pie before you cut it, and then you just pour this on top. Babe's getting photos of his cake.
Oh yeah, I'm hungry. Fuck.
Is that the middle?
I don't know, go for it.
Oh, it was way squishier than I thought it was going to be.
Oh yeah.
Boomerang.
Oh, that's a good idea actually.
How much cake do you want? Do you want to stop and you can boomerang me cutting the rest of it?
No, it's okay. You go.
For the gram. How much do you want?
Nah, don't go crazy. Just give me
that
a little
much?
bit. Yeah, it's perfect. Oh.
Okay, are we ready? Oh no, I don't think I've cut it properly.
Unbelievable. The suspense.
Oh, here we go, I've got it. Why is it not coming out?
Oh, you're ruining my birthday.
Shush.
Oh, minus the...
Oh, I missed the tip.
Banana.
No, not the tip.
Come on, little tippy.
Oh my god.
Boop. I made it messy. Tried my best. Time to pose. Put up a little bit. Smile. So it's Friday and my face matches my shirt, which is always great. Always how I want to live my life, just kidding. But right now it is Friday afternoon. I just got home from the gym after work. It's the afternoon right now. Don't think I mentioned, but yeah, it's afternoon, so I just got home from the gym. I woke up with the worst migraine ever. Right now I'm about to have a snack. Let me show you. This is my pre-workout or post-workout, sorry, snack. It's Vita Wheat crackers with Vegemite and cheese. I know it's not protein filled, but it's gonna fill me up until dinner time, and we're having fish, and I always find fish super light. So I wanted something that was like, this has a decent amount of protein in it, and I've already had a shake today, so yeah, I'm pretty excited to eat these. Corpse night out for brunch today, so I'm not yawning. I won't put him on the camera while he's yawning. But we're just here for the brunch. We just went to a supplement store, so that's why we're out these ways. I think I'm going to do a build your own and get like that, there, and that. Say hi. This is breakfast. This was like a build your own, and this is like massive. You're faded?
I want to eat.
Okay, go. So my friend Hannah bought me this the other day. It obviously wasn't an empty box. It's this mug here. She got it from the Philippines, and look at this. Ah, I've done it. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna have my peppermint tea in this today. We got back from breakfast and then we went grocery shopping, and then I did some stuff for my Twitch stream. My tongue is really sore. I've been eating lots of those sunflower seeds. And now I'm just gonna pretty much blob for the rest of the day. I probably won't show you guys that much until we have dinner because, yeah, not much is happening. This is my outfit for today, by the way. It's just like a cropped jumper with my workout pants. So it is Saturday night and we had fish for dinner. I thought I vlogged it, but I guess I didn't. But anyway, we're going out to play some Pokemon Go. My voice sounds really hoarse. Excuse that. But yeah, we're just fueling up. Then we're going to go to the domain, play some Pokemon Go. Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't super duper eventful, but I still had a good week. It was just a really, really long week. Next week, my plans are that I'm having Sally over for dinner because, well, we're going out for dinner because she's up in Auckland, and then next week I also have a lot of stuff on with work, so I don't know how exciting the vlog's gonna be, but I'm still really, really excited. If you guys did enjoy this vlog, please give it a thumbs up because it means a lot to me. Hope that you all have had an amazing week, and I hope that next week is just as amazing. I love you all, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.